It's TC here again. For my last video, I shared an amazing infrared time-lapse by J. Tolan Media 1. This flat earth evidence is so strong that I believe it deserves a bit more analysis. Also, the sound quality of his video wasn't the best, and there were some justified complaints which may have detracted a bit from the content. In short, this video of his proves, again, that we can see much further than the globe dimensions allow, but this time in infrared. There is an amazing flat earth phenomenon here that is not explained by refraction. Refraction only distorts, stretches, compresses, and obscures long-distance viewing. Refraction does not enable one to see around large bulges of the ball Earth, and there is simply no evidence supporting the ridiculous globe claim that this is a mirage. When the atmosphere is clear, the water is calm, and there is no miraging, all optical measurements indicate a flat Earth. Or, at the very least, a ball Earth that is so big, making the deception just as huge and important, because that would mean they are hiding a lot of land from us. I think it's flat. But either way, our flat Earth observations are scientifically amazing. These observations should be discussed in classrooms and universities everywhere. And yet, Congress and Google have stated their intention to suppress that fact. Liars hide behind censorship. I don't get it. Unless you have something to hide, there is no reason why science shouldn't embrace our flat Earth observations. Because it seems, at the very least, that flat earthers discovered something amazing. Nature is hell-bent on tricking us into seeing a flat Earth again and again. Obviously, there's a globe-loving agenda in place that does not want you to see, discuss, and ponder these videos. That makes a defiant person like me only more determined to spread the truth. First, we're going to begin with coordinates of J. Tolan Media 1's camera. Here was his location. His camera was at an observation height of roughly 150 feet. You can see the same on Google Earth. This ruler line indicates the path from the camera in Malibu to Catalina Island. From the photographer's point of view, he was observing the utmost left part of the island, which would be the actual southeast corner of Catalina Island. As you can see, the distance to the far left of the island from his point of view was roughly 53.3 miles away. And no, I'm not trying to insert secret 33 codes. Plug in the numbers in a Earth curvature calculator and you get a target hidden height of 978 feet based on official dimensions of the alleged ball. However, this little step formation only has an approximate elevation of 200 feet. According to the official dimensions of the globe, this area of Catalina Island should be well hidden by a target hidden height of 978 feet with more than 700 feet to spare. In addition, these far distant boats that are maybe 40 miles away should likewise not be visible. The rotten globe liars that shill my channel have been trying to change the distance from 53.3 miles to as low as 35 miles. Like this worthless deceiver identified as Word of E1. 35 miles? And you wonder why I block these sellout deceivers? I created a pathway tour on Google Earth so you can see that I'm not trying to trick you. The observations from J. Tolan Media 1's video and Google Earth match almost perfectly, although Google Earth seems to be adding a fake curvature, as you can see by this visible peak, which seems to be much more hidden by Google Earth. Anyways, you can see from the screen captures from the actual video and then from Google Earth that they closely match. Clearly, J. Tolan Media 1's infrared time-lapse video is of the southeast corner of Catalina Island, which has a huge distance of 53.3 miles from the camera, despite what the filthy liars have alleged in the comments. Getting back to his video, And just to reiterate, this little formation should be hidden more than 700 feet below the horizon. This ferry and its escort should not be visible in any manner. It is time to accept the fact that there is a flat Earth optical phenomenon that is real, observable, and repeatable. This is not a mirage. This is a direct line of sight that defies the globe model and should cause any objective thinking person to question his globe conditioning. That's about it. Thanks for watching, and don't get on my channel and lie in the comments because I don't tolerate it. This is my classroom, and I'll kick you out if you act like an ass. Anyways,
Of conspiracy theory content generally, our goal is to promote authoritative content to our users. So we have two principles that guide the way here. That's the first one, is we want to provide users with authoritative, trustworthy information.
I'm sorry to cut you off. I only have a minute and a half, and I don't really need to hear what you're trying to provide. I want to know how you're dealing with all these conspiracy theorists on your platform.
So the first way is by demoting low-quality content and promoting more authoritative content, and the second is by providing more transparency for users. So we're introducing boxes that provide factual information at the top of results that have shown themselves to turn up a lot of information that is counterfactual, such as searching for the Earth is flat on YouTube, where you see a lot of
Your response is to put a box saying, nope, the Earth is not flat.
Correct.
Okay.